What if I told you your gut controls your digestion, energy, immunity, even your mood? But most people are unknowingly damaging it every single day, and if you ignore this, it can lead to bigger health problems. In this video, you'll learn why your gut gets damaged, and simple, natural ways to repair and support it. Make sure you watch till the end, because one mistake most people make is destroying their gut daily. Let's start with the basics. Why does gut health get worse? Highly processed foods can disrupt the balance of good bacteria in your gut. Excess sugar may feed harmful bacteria and affect gut balance. Chronic stress can impact digestion and the gut-brain connection. Fiber is essential for feeding beneficial gut bacteria. While necessary in some cases, antibiotics can reduce both harmful and beneficial bacteria. Over time, these habits may lead to poor digestion, bloating, low energy, and discomfort. Now let's talk about how you can naturally support and repair your gut. Fiber-rich foods like vegetables, fruits, oats, and whole grains help feed beneficial bacteria. Foods like yogurt, kefir, and fermented foods can help support healthy gut bacteria. Prebiotics feed the good bacteria. Examples include bananas, garlic, onions. Water helps digestion and supports overall gut function. Simple habits like walking, breathing exercises, proper sleep can help improve gut health. Try to reduce junk food, sugary drinks, ultra-processed meals. Regular meals and good sleep patterns help your digestive system work better. Gut health isn't about quick fixes. It's about daily habits that support your body over time. Small changes can make a big difference. Start taking care of your gut today. Subscribe to our channel for more informative videos, and tell us in the comments, have you ever experienced gut issues?